Good morning to you all. Let's begin today's session. I hope all are safe at home. Today, we are going to take a new chapter, namely determinants. Before explain the term determinant, just recall the term matrix that we already learnt. Also, we have to remind matrix addition, matrix subtraction, matrix multiplication, and division by a scalar. Moreover, we studied how to express a system of linear equations in the form of a matrix. So here we are applying this concept. When we express a system of linear equations in the form of a matrix, it has either a unique solution or not. And this unique solution is determined by the value AD minus BC. And this value is known as our determinant. Now look at the matrix given. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means 2 rows and 2 columns. So here the matrix A, B, C, D. Now find the value AD and BC and find the subtraction AD minus BC so that the number AD minus BC determines the determinant of the given matrix. Okay, so just cross multiply the given matrix, we will get the determinant of the given matrix. Now keep in mind that determinants only possible for square matrices. So in the case of a square matrix of order 1, then its determinant value is the given value itself. Suppose we have a matrix of order 2. Order 2 means 2 rows and columns. In this case, we can find or obtain the value of determinant as just find the value of the number AD minus BC. Just cross multiply the given numbers in the matrix. We will get the determinant value. Anyway, we will discuss these things elaborately. And also we have a matrix of order 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. In this case, we have to convert this 3 by 3 matrix into the form of 2 by 2. After that, we can easily find the determinant. So in this chapter, we have to discuss or we will discuss how to find determinant of especially 3 by 3 matrices and some properties of determinants. Okay, so basically we need to know how to find or how to obtain determinant of any 2 by 2 matrices firstly. So let's go through some examples, then you can easily understand. We have a matrix Aij, A equal to matrix Aij. So Aij means I stands for rows and J stands for column. Suppose we have only one element A11, then in this case determinant of the given matrix is the number itself. That is determinant of A equal to determinant of A11, that is equal to A11. Now in the case of a matrix of order 2, so look at the given matrix A equal to matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. So there are 2 rows and 2 columns. First row is A11, A12 and second row is A21, A22. So in this case, we can obtain the determinant value as just cross multiply the numbers A11, A22 and A12, A21. Just note down the arrow mark, that's better I think so. So the arrow mark starts from top to bottom, left top to bottom, that's better. So you have to just cross multiply the entries given in the matrix and then subtract. So we will get the determinant A11, A22 minus A21, A12. Okay. So In this manner, we can find the determinant of any matrix. Any matrix means any 2 by 2 matrices. This is the general matrix. So we will give some examples. Then you can easily understand the concept of determinant. Okay. Now we have an example. Evaluate determinant of 4 minus 3 to 5. Determinant of 4 minus 3 to 5. It's a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows as well as 2 columns. So what shall I do? We have to cross multiply starting with 4. 4 into 5. Then 2 into minus 3. Just cross multiply 4 and 5 and 2 and minus 3. So 4 into 5 is 20. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So we have 20 and minus 6. Now subtract these values. 20 minus minus 6. So minus of minus becomes plus, and therefore 20 plus 6 equal to 26. It's clear? Once again, just cross multiply the numbers 4 and 5 as well as 2 and minus 3. So 4 into 5 is 20, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So 20 minus minus 6 becomes 20 plus x, that is equal to 26. Okay. Now we have another example. See the symbol delta. The delta symbol also represent determinant. Okay. So delta equal to determinant 1, 2, 4, 2. We have to find the determinant of the matrix 1, 2, 4, 2. So first we have to cross multiply 1 and 2, then 2 and 4. So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8. So 2 minus 8.
2 minus 8 equal to minus 6.